Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to start a new topic, grade 10 physics, reflection of light and what is light. So here in front of you in the camera, if I just put my fingers dark here, you cannot see anything because light is not there. Once I remove and the entry of light is there, you will start to see the things slowly and you can see the things. So this is the importance of light. Without light we cannot see anything, and in grade 10 physics we will be studying different characteristics of light and its functions and how the light functions for us. So let us begin the topic. So what is light? Light is a form of energy. To see the things around us we need light, and our eyes detect light and image is formed in retina. Whenever we see anything, then its image is formed on the retina, and some sources of light is required to make the objects visible. So the source of light is also very important, and when from the source of light, when the light comes to our eyes, it hits the retina, then we can see the image of that object, and our brain reads the image of that object and we can see the things. So in dark room, when there is no visibility and because there is no light, but when the electric bulb is switched on and light falls on the object, then it is visible to us, to all of us. So that is the importance of light. Let us see further what is there in this light. It is only when light coming from an object enters our eyes that we are able to see that object. It's very important to understand that when the light is falling on the object, and when the object will reflect the reflected light of the object will enter our eyes, and then we are able to see the objects. So this is very important phenomenon to understand. That's why I have written in box and in black pen. So light may have been emitted by the object or reflected by the object. So the source of the light will emit the light, but the object which don't have its own light, they will reflect the light, and that's why we are able to see them. So sources of light are sun, star, electric bulb, tube light, torch, candle, fire. All these, they emit their own light, and that's why they are called as luminous objects. So luminous objects, they emit light and helps us to see non-luminous objects. And how? So from the luminous objects the light will fall on the non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects, they reflect the light and that light falls on retina and we can see that. So reflects light by taking it from luminous objects, and the objects become visible when reflected light enters our eyes. So this is how we can see the objects. So this is very important. So next, what is non-luminous object? Non-luminous objects means those objects which do not emit light themselves but only reflect the light which fall on them are called as non-luminous objects. They don't have their own light but they reflect the light which is falling on them. For example, moon is a non-luminous object. It does not have its own light, it just reflects the light which gets from the sun. Moon reflects the sun's light falling on its surface. That's why it's a non-luminous object. Thus, conclusion that light is a form of energy. Light causes sensation of the sight, and light travels in a straight line. This experiments we would have done when we were kids, or I will also demonstrate the experiment that a candle is blown and cardboard is kept with the pinhole in the center of each cardboard. 3 cardboards are kept in a line and a candle is there. So if the 3 hole is in straight line, we can see the light of the candle, but if one cardboard is misplaced, then we cannot see the light of the candle. So this is proves that the light travels in a straight line. So this topic of introduction of light is clear to you. I hope it will help you to understand this topic better and score better marks. Thank you for watching.